The professional skin scrubber is a great tabletop unit for skincare professionals. Not only is it easy to use, but it's also affordable and built to last. Before showing how it works, we want to mention that if you order the skin scrubber, please hold on to your original packaging at least until you've tested all the functions of the unit. Once you confirm everything is working properly, we recommend holding on to the packaging for the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functions. Now let's take a look at the skin scrubber. As you can see, the control panel is simple and easy to use. This button controls the different frequency modes. This mode is the continuous mode, which is great for exfoliation. This mode is the pulse mode, which is what you want to use when your goal is product penetration. This mode is the deeper pulse mode, which offers deeper product penetration. This last mode is variable and it helps with skin tightening. You can adjust the intensity for all the modes. You can also adjust the timer. Before using the skin scrubber, make sure to use a steamer on your client's skin so their pores can open up. Also, before starting a treatment, ensure that the treatment area is moist. Never use the skin scrubber on dry skin because this can lead to irritation and discomfort. An easy way to keep the skin moist is to keep warm water and a sponge nearby. Once you've got the machine settings dialed in, simply push the start button to start the machine. To turn the scrubber handle on, push this button. Now you can begin your treatment. With the blade down like this, you can exfoliate the skin and clean out the pores. Make sure as you're working on your client's skin that you keep the skin moist. If you want to move on to product penetration, switch the machine to one of the pulse settings. When doing product penetration, ensure that the blade is flat against the client's skin. When you're done with the unit, ensure that the unit is turned off. There aren't too many things that can go wrong with the skin scrubber. However, if the unit is plugged in but it won't turn on, it could mean that the fuse is bad. Before checking the fuse, ensure that the unit is unplugged. To remove the fuse, use a flathead screwdriver to push the fuse holder in and turn to the left. Then you can pull the fuse out. If the metal inside the fuse is broken or melted, it will need to be replaced. Replace the fuse with another of the same rating. If you don't know what the fuse's rating is, you can take it to a hardware store and they will be able to find you a replacement. To put the fuse back in, simply push the fuse holder with the screwdriver and turn to the right. Thank you for your interest in the professional skin scrubber. If you would like to learn more about it, you can click the link on the top left corner of the video screen.